If you want to copy and paste on Samsung Galaxy A37, here's what you can do. So first of all, if you find a text that you wish to copy, usually you can just simply press and hold your finger in order to select the text. Right after that, you will see a small panel where you can find the copy option. But before you do that, you can also use select all if you want to select a whole text that you have on the page or in the app. You can also grab by the bottom left and bottom right corners, where we have these blue markers in order to adjust the selected area. So you should be able to move it up and down, left and right a little bit in order to adjust what should be copied. Now, once you select the whole text that you want to copy, you just have to tap on the copy option, and that is pretty much all. Now, the next time you open a text field, you will probably find the copied text right at the top of the keyboard, so you can just tap over here in order to paste that text. And in case you do not have it, you should be able to find this clipboard button, so you can tap over here to open the clipboard, and then you can just simply tap on the copied text in order to paste it in here again. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.